In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise customer support. If you're having trouble with a transfer, a card payment, verification, or just have a question about your account, reaching the right place inside the app only takes a moment and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. Give it a second to load and make sure you're on the main screen where you normally see your balances or recent activity. Everything we need is available right inside the app, so you won't have to switch to a browser or search for an email. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen for your profile icon. This might appear as your initials or a small profile photo, depending on your settings. Tap that icon. This opens your account menu where you can access personal preferences and support options. From the menu, find and tap Help. The Help section is where Wise Group's answers to common questions, guides, and troubleshooting. It's designed to get you solutions quickly, and it's the gateway to contacting the support team when you need a human to step in. Inside Help, tap Contact Us. This is the dedicated path to Wise's support channels. Depending on your region, language, and the time of day, you may see options like chat or message. The app will route you to the best available options so you can get assistance as soon as possible. When you're on the Contact US page, tell them your issue. Be clear and specific so the team can help faster. Mention what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what you actually saw. If an error message appeared, include the wording. If your question relates to a particular transfer, add the transfer reference or date. It helps the team find the right information quickly. For your security, never share passwords, full card numbers, one-time codes, or any sensitive details. Wise Support will never ask for those. After you submit your message, keep the app open or check back shortly. You'll typically receive a reply inside the app, and you may also get a notification. Response times can vary based on volume, but providing a concise description usually speeds things up. If the conversation continues, just reply within the same thread so all the details stay together. And that's it. Open the Wise app, tap the profile icon, go to Help, choose Contact Us, and clearly explain your issue. Follow these steps and you'll be connected with Wise customer support in just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the support you need quickly.